Hey all, welcome back to Chill with Sabby. I hope everyone is doing well. Hi, today the video is about storing the diecast car in a case. As I bought this from Amazon, which cost me around like $34.20, and in one box I got four cases, and this is the one which I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to store my diecast cars. As it is a dust-proof clear glass or transparent display case. A perfect way to display your 1:64 scale diecast car. Each comes with a single door and you can stack each case top on top. As it's a great gift for the diecast fan and the collectors. So I have here 8 Porsche which I'm going to put inside the case. This is the one which Porsche 168959. This is a premium version of Hot Wheels and it is made in Thailand. That looks really cool when it is in the case. And the next one is in brown color. It's a 94 Porsche. And it looks really cool too. Let me put it inside. The next one we have here, the body color white, the number 277. It is 1971 Porsche 911. And it's made in Malaysia. It's a cool looking car too. The fourth one we have here, which is in blue color. This I got from the Blind Blags, and this is a Porsche 356 Outlaw. The next one we have here, which is in gray color Porsche. It's a Porsche Cayenne S. And I bought this from thrift store. I remember that. The next one we have here, the body color is green color. It's a 96 Porsche Carrera. And this one is selling in eBay around like $4. As each Porsche looks so unique in its own way. So as I'm a Porsche fan, so this case is dedicated for Porsches only. The next one we have here, the red color, body color is red, and it's a Porsche 911 GT2, as it's a classic modern European sports car. And it was made in Malaysia. The next one, that is the last one we have here, the white Porsche 993 GT2. It's from 1993 to 1999, as this is also a European sports car, as it has a styling 90s classic and has been captured very well. So all these power Porsches looks really cool when they are inside the case. There you go. My first display of Porsche on my table. I really like the case as it makes the diecast car look so cool in it, as it's a transparent place and it looks sturdy. It doesn't look like cheap at all, the case. So if you're looking to buy this case, which is available in Amazon for $34.20. And in one box, you get a 4 case, so you can stack one by one. And you can display in your living room or wherever you would like to have it. And for me, it looks really cool. So I have here the Porsche 959 from Matchbox, and it was made in Macau and was released in 1985. Sorry, it's 1986, and the scale is 1:58. So when I bought this from the thrift store, I didn't see any paint at all, so I thought that why not to paint this diecast car. As I used a paint marker pen, at the end of the video you can check it out what company I have used and from where I bought. As painting a diecast car can be fun and a rewarding process. So before you start any painting of any diecast car, just wash it with soap water so that you can remove the dust which were accumulated on top of this diecast car. It feels good as you're painting your Porsche 939 diecast car, which I'm giving a new look to it. So let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about this painting to a diecast car? And the paint marker which I used here is Artistro, which comes with a fine point as it's a water based, and it's available in Amazon between $5 to $10. Sometimes it comes in sale, so that becomes a little bit cheap too. So that's all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy collecting.